Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda CBR300R. Fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, lightweight sport bike, single cylinder, only 1,862 miles on this beautiful Honda Racing Red lightweight sport bike. Come on by, make your motorcycle dreams come true. This bike is priced to sell quickly. I think it's $36.99. That thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.